I do whatever I like, I do. What I like, I do, I do. I do. What I like, I do, I do.
What's up, my lezgangs? Welcome back to another video. ¿Qué es lo que, mi gente? Bienvenido a otro video nuevo. En este video tú me vas a ver, como tú puedes ver, que yo estoy en la cocina. Yo voy a tratar, es mi primera vez, hacer un bizcocho. So into this video, as you can see, I'm in the kitchen. You guys will be seeing me make a cake. So yes, hopefully this works out, so stay tuned. And don't forget to give it a big huge thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below some other videos you guys want me to do and share with your friends. No te olvides de darle like, suscríbase si no lo ha hecho, comenta y compártelo con tus gentes. Bye! Okay guys, so the first step we're going to be doing is we're going to pour the flour in the bowl. So el primer paso que vamos a hacer es echar la harina en el plato. So we're going to do that. The whole thing. Instructions are here. Las instrucciones están aquí. Un vaso de agua. 1 cup of water. We're going to throw it here. 3 large eggs. Crack an egg. 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. Here. Antes de hacer todo eso, pon esto en 350. Do is blend it. Blend it. This is our little pan. It looks massive. So we did it. I'll see you guys in 20 minutes or so. Bye. Okay guys, so after like 30 minutes or so or more, I think, we are going to be taking the cake out. Ya después de 30 minutos o por ahí vamos a sacar el bizcocho. So yeah, make sure to wear gloves. I mean, like, you know, something. Oh my god. El look el último look, como quedó. This is the last look, the final, you know, how the cake looks. So yeah, we're gonna wait 30 minutes or so, 5 to 30 minutes or so for it to cool down. Once it does, we're going to be putting frost on the cake. Para 5 minutos, 30 minutos para que se ponga un chin frío, tú sabes. Y después vamos a ponerle esto al bizcocho, ¿ok? Nos vemos en 5 minutos. Hey guys, after 15 minutes, we are going to be taking the cake out of the pan. Después de 15 minutos vamos a quitar el bizcocho de esto. So yeah, así quedó el bizcocho, mi primera vez que lo hice. So yeah, so I like it. Mira cómo parece de adentro, tiene colores y eso. Vamos a esperar 15 minutos más para ponerle esto en todo lado. So we're gonna wait 15 more minutes or so for we can put this around the whole thing, okay? See you guys, bye. So after 15 more minutes, we are going to put the frost thing on the cake. So después de 15 minutos vamos a poner esto en el bizcocho. So yeah. So primero lo vamos a poner todo. Esto encima. This is how it turns out, you know? Mira cómo quedó. Okay guys, so I'm going to be cutting the cake, by the way. Not gonna lie, look. I don't think it's cooked. Oh yeah, it is. It's hot. But yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Mira cómo quedó hermoso. ¿Verdad, amor? Yep. Thank you guys so much for watching this. Make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe, comment down below some questions you guys want me to do. And yeah, don't forget to please hit that bell for notifications, for you don't miss like videos of me. No te olvides de darle un like y comentes si videos que tú quieres que yo haga. Dale like que sí, porque te gustó. No te olvides de suscribirte si no has hecho esto y compartirlo con tus amigos. So yeah.